are the students of SMK Tun Habab. Our team include 4 people and today we will represent about aqua cycle.
Assalamualaikum and greetings. Every day, thousands of liters of clean water are used for ablution. Yet sadly, most of it flows straight into drains, unused and unappreciated. This water is pure and clean, but we treat it as waste.
Alia, I think we waste too much water. What do you think?
That's right, Aisha. What if we collect and use that ablution water?
Wow, that was a great idea. I think we could use the reused water from ablution water to watering the plant. That's right. I asked Aisha about her suggestion. This morning, I and Alia have walked around our mosque.
Okay.
And I observed something that our people use too many ablution water and wasting it. Do you have any suggestion?
What if...
After we discussed together, we finally came out with aqua cycle project and we start to sketching it first.
How aqua cycle system work? First, used ablution water is collected into an ablution tank. This tank serves as temporary storage before the water is pumped out. Next, the water is pushed through a water pump connected to a 10-meter hose, which transfers the water to the upper part of the system.
What makes this system unique is that it is powered manually by pedaling. When the user pedals, the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy through an electronic system. This system includes a bridge rectifier, a capacitor, and a DC motor. The rectifier converts the current, the capacitor stores the energy briefly, and the motor activates the watering process. The water is then sprayed onto a plant using clean, recycled water. The entire system is supported by a stable base, and the total height of the structure is 50 cm. All parts are connected using a 5-meter water hose. In conclusion, aqua cycle is a creative and eco-friendly invention.
DC motor that recycle from 3D printer, acrylic box 3A size, water hose 10 meter, bicycle pedal we recycle from unused bicycle, water pump 12 volt, electronic system, bridge rectifier, and capacitor.